Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rose Mathew, Pediatric and Comprehensive Ophthalmologist at Zamindar's Microsurgical Eye Center, Bangalore. Today I'm going to discuss about myopia or short sight, its impact on children and measures to prevent its onset and progression in children. Now what is myopia? Myopia, commonly termed short-sightedness, is a condition where light rays focus in front of the retina, and this makes the distant objects appear blurred and near objects appear clear. Myopia has now become a pandemic, and with 30% of the global population being myopic, and it has been projected to be 50% by 2050, which means 1 in 2 children are going to be myopic, and that's a staggering 5 billion people. What are the problems faced by myopia? Apart from the functional deficits, where myopia is uncorrected, it can affect career choices as well. In a very small percentage, myopia becomes pathological and it's associated with the risk of cataract, glaucoma, retinal detachment, strabismus, squint and maculopathy. Now let's discuss about the factors contributing to the development and progression of myopia. We have genetic factors and environmental factors. Coming to the genetic factors, there is a 10% risk of developing myopia when one parent is myopic and 40% risk when in case of both parents being myopic. Environmental factors. Myopia is now considered as an earliest lifestyle disease. Studies have shown that certain lifestyle modifications can prevent onset and progression of myopia. Increase in outdoor time. Every additional 1 hour outdoors per week leads to 2% reduction in the risk of myopia. Children should be encouraged to have at least 2 hours of daylight activity per day. Reduced screen time or near work. Take breaks during near work. Children should be encouraged to follow the 20-20-20 rule, where every 20 minutes they should be encouraged to take a 20-second break and look at something 20 feet away. Having a reading distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. Good ambient light. Brighter the room, lesser the chances of myopia. What are the other factors or measures which prevent the progression of myopia? It's a well-known fact that the common form of myopia or the childhood myopia is due to the axial length elongation or longer eyeball. We have several measures like pharmacological measures, optical measures to control this axial length elongation. Pharmacological measures involves using certain eye drops to prevent the progression of myopia. Certain spectacles like the dim spectacles or the Hall spectacles, multifocal contact lens, orthokeratology, all this helps in slowing down the axial length elongation and thus the potential amount of myopia progression by about 30 to 60%. We at Zamindar's Microsurgical Eye Center have a dedicated myopia clinic where a thorough workup of childhood myopia is done and measures are taken in the form of early interventions to slow down the progression of myopia. So let's come together to ensure good eye health for our future generation.